1,08,24,60,48. All these things will come in the realization account debit side. Friends, please stop talking. Cash will be taken to the cash account. Capital and reserves to the capital account, creditors to the realization. This is the first stage, that is dismantling the balance sheet. So we transfer the various assets to the balance sheet, realization account, creditors to the realization, capital and reserves to the partners capital account. Dismantling over. Then disposal, for which they have given 4 assets. How it is realized? Aggregate these 4 assets by making a working note. Working note for assets realized. Like that we got 2,48,400. Liabilities wise, creditors at 5% discount. Realization expense not there in the balance sheet. Sales tax also not there in the balance sheet. Everybody? So like that we are just taking these assets realized, liabilities paid. Entry will be in the realization account by cash as well as to cash. In the cash account by realization to realization. Everybody? Respond. There is takeover by partners. One partner took over one unrecorded asset. Whether it is recorded or unrecorded, or asset taken over means partners capital debit, credit realization, and takeover value will be considered as 4,800, which will be debited to partners capital as 4,800. After that, close the problem. Balance the realization account, we get profit or loss. This profit or loss will be distributed to partners in their profit sharing ratio, which was 2:1. Which will be taken in the partners capital account, make the settlement to the partners capital, take that amount in the cash account will automatically tally. Understood? So this is the question given to you. I hope everybody completed. No time for copying. Suppose you are not taken, realization profit, how much? This is one answer. The gist of answer, realization profit is 9,900, settlement amount 1,47,960, 71,160, 37,980. Everybody, the question what you have individually solved at your place was examination question. You are through with that particular 16 marks. So easy.